In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a full screen Wix pop-up menu. This tutorial is perfect for those who want to enhance their website navigation with a stylish full screen menu option. Let's dive right in. First, we need to add and configure the pop-up. Open up your Wix editor and navigate to the Add Elements tab. From here, move to Interactive and then select Pop-ups. You'll see a variety of options available. Just pick any pop-up you prefer to add to your site. Once you've done this, you'll want to click on the pop-up's settings icon. Here, you'll rename your pop-up something like Menu to keep things organized. Now go to the Automatically Display Pop-up on Pages option and select No. This ensures the pop-up will only display when you want it to. Next, you'll delete all the elements inside the pop-up, except for that important X icon. Keeping the X ensures that users can easily close your menu once they're finished with it. Next up, we'll design the full screen menu. With the pop-up still open, add a vertical menu from the same Add Elements panel. This will serve as the primary element of your full screen menu. You'll want to resize and position this menu to fill the entire pop-up area for maximum effect. In the menu design settings, make sure your text is both large and centered. This helps in keeping the text readable and visually appealing. At this point, you might also consider adding other elements like text, buttons, or even your logo to create a more personalized feel for your pop-up menu. Now let's set up the trigger button. Start by clicking on Exit Mode to return to the main site view. Here, you'll want to add a button to your page, perhaps in the header, and label it Menu. Click on your new button, then hit Link and select Pop-up from the dropdown. When prompted, choose the menu pop-up you just created and click Done. This button will now serve as the trigger for your newly designed full screen menu. Let's make that pop-up full screen. Select the menu pop-up again and click on the design icon. In this design panel, adjust the pop-up overlay settings to make your background transparent, giving the full screen effect. Click on the pop-up and drag its corners or use the resize tool to ensure it fills the entire screen. For an even more polished look, consider pinning the pop-up to the screen so it remains in place regardless of scrolling. To finalize everything, click Publish to save your changes and put them live on your site. And there you have it. You've successfully created a full screen pop-up menu on Wix. With this new feature, your site's navigation will not only look great, but function smoothly, giving users a sleek and modern browsing experience.